911, where's your emergency?
I'm at Kent State University. I need to get into my building, please.
Okay. Is this an emergency? Can you look up the non-emergency number?
I need to get into my building, please.
Okay. I need you to look up the non-emergency number and contact the Kent State University Police
I need to get into my building, please.
You need to contact the Kent State University Police Department. This is not an emergency.
What is it? I need to get into my...
Look it up, ma'am. I'm going to let you go.
I don't know what it...
A professor at Kent State University called 911. Not a break-in. Not a medical emergency. Let's see how it goes.
I'm the school director of the School of Health Sciences.
Gotcha.
I'll show you my driver's license, which is in the car. Can you get me into the building, please, so I can go pee?
Sure. Do you have anything to drink today?
I had a drink.
You had a drink?
A drink.
Okay. Because I can smell a little bit of alcohol on you.
I can smell a little bit of alcohol. That's fine. You can.
Okay. 328. I'll take it back.
I had a drink in my colleague's office. That's fine.
The officer shows up expecting something. Anything. And he gets a woman who needs the bathroom. But he's professional. He leans in a little closer and... oh.
In your colleague's office? Where was that at?
In the annex.
Okay. How'd you get over here?
I walked.
You walked over here? Okay. I'd like to give you a couple tests just to make sure you're good to go because I don't want you driving if you've been drinking.
Sir, I'm fine.
Okay. Well, I can smell it on you and you're not able to use a card to swipe into the door. So it's
Sir,
a little...
this is not working. This is not working. Can I go pee, please?
Well, here's what I'm saying. You're trying to swipe two cards at the same time, which kind of shows me that you're lacking some motor functions. I wouldn't want you to...
Can I go pee? Can I pee, please?
Yeah, here, I'll let you in to pee real quick and then we'll talk, okay? Do you have someone you could call?
My husband.
Okay. Do you want to go pee first and start working on calling him?
No, I don't. This is not okay.
What's not okay?
That you're going to call my husband.
No, you're going to call him.
I'm fine.
I don't think you're okay to drive.
I think I'm okay to drive. I have a Tesla. Sir.
Just because you have a Tesla doesn't mean it's not going to drive itself.
Sir, I'm going to call your captain in a minute.
That's fine. You're not going to drive out of here.
You're not going to be okay.
Is there a bathroom back here you're using?
I'm sorry?
Is there a bathroom in this office you're using?
I'm going to go over there. I'm the school director of the School of Health Sciences, and I'm going to be okay.
Okay. We're in office 100.
Sir, I'm okay, and you're going to be okay, and I'm going to report you.
Okay, that's fine.
I'm fine.
Okay. I just need you to call somebody for me before I go.
I'll be fine.
She's too far.
Okay.
So she said she walked here though, but she's planning on driving home. She's okay to drive because she has a Tesla. I said, no, you need to call somebody. Okay. So I don't think you can get out to the parking lot that way. Yeah, she's trying to swipe like two cards at the same time to get in. No, you're not driving home.
Okay. Tesla's gonna drive her home?
Yeah.
I have a Tesla. She said that. As a reason why she's okay to drive drunk. I need you to understand, this woman has a doctorate. She's been in academic research for decades, and her defense is the car. And then when that doesn't work, she pulls out the captain. Captain G, who she is going to call right now. Okay.
I can see her in her office. If it gets that far,
I'm going to call Captain Getman right now. I'm going to call Getman. You're harassing me right now. I don't appreciate it.
No, I'm just making sure you get home okay.
I'm going to be okay.
Okay. Well, I just need to make sure you call somebody here because I don't want you driving home.
I'm going to call Captain Getman from Kent.
Who's that?
The captain of Kent, if you don't leave me alone.
What's his name?
Captain Getman of Kent. I'm going to go to the bathroom, and you're going to leave me alone.
I'm just going to give Mike a call real quick and just let her know what's going on.
Go in the bathroom, and you're going to leave me alone. I'm going to be fine. I'm going to go to the bathroom, and you're going to leave me alone.
We're gonna stay here.
I'm missing a vest part that's out there.
It fell down out there?
Yeah. He's going to leave me alone, and I'm going to go home and go pee, and you're going to leave me alone.
Okay, but you're not gonna drive.
I'm going to drive home.
Okay, ma'am, you're not gonna drive.
I'm driving home, and you're going to leave me alone. I'm fine. And you're going to leave. I have water in my car. I'm fine.
I don't care if you have water in your car. If
My
you're
husband is in shaker, and he had surgery, and I'm fine.
Ma'am, I understand that.
Do you want me to walk? I'll walk. Walk.
Nope.
No, you're going to leave me alone. My husband just had surgery, and I'm driving
Okay.
home. Sir, you're going to leave me alone? Do you want me to take a breathalyzer? I'll do that for you.
Nope, don't have one.
What?
I don't have one.
Sir, you're going to leave me alone? I'm fine. I'm going to the bathroom.
Okay.
You have no right to not let me drive home.
Actually, it is our job to not let you drive home if you're intoxicated.
I'm not
It's
intoxicated.
literally our job.
Okay, you are going to leave me alone. I'm going to call the Kent City Police right now.
Okay. Feel free.
I will. I have worked. You can leave me alone. Look, I could not get in the building because you locked my building.
We didn't lock your building. It locks automatically.
Okay.
So we did you a service by letting you in here.
Okay, I could have driven home with my cab and Gail. So can I go pee, please? Because
I never told you you couldn't. Go ahead.
Jesus Christ. I've worked here for 28 years.
I understand. She's pretty fired up.
She gotta go to the bathroom.
She's in there now. She said, we're gonna leave her alone. She's gonna drive home. Yeah.
What is your problem?
Ma'am, I just really need you to call someone
Okay, I will call someone.
because you can't drive home, okay?
Okay, why do you think I can't drive home?
Because you're intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated.
I can tell you are.
Why?
But several reasons. I can explain it to you if you want.
I'm driving home.
No, you're not.
Have a good day.
Please call somebody.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
I'll call somebody.
Can you do it right now? Because we gotta go.
Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ma'am, this is your last chance to call somebody.
Okay.
Hey, do you understand that your Tesla driving, like the self-driving function, doesn't cover you for OVI? I just want to. No, I just want you to understand. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay.
So can you give me my other card back?
I don't have your other card.
I'm not intoxicated.
Well, I think you are.
I'm glad you think I am, but I'm not. You can have a good day. Thank you very much.
Okay. Can you call somebody for me?
Sure, I will.
Can you do that right now?
I will. In my car.
Ma'am, listen,
No, you're not gonna go to your car.
you've been here a long time. Please don't tarnish your own reputation by doing this, because we are going to arrest you if you try to leave here and drive your car. I promise. Like, you're going to be arrested, and that is not what we want to do.
So my husband is home.
Okay, you said he just had surgery and he can't drive, right?
I'll call Captain Gitman right now.
There's no Captain Gitman.
He's here at my phone.
Okay, well, call. Go ahead.
There's no Captain Gitman that works for Kent.
He works for Kent City.
No, he doesn't.
Bye. Have a good day.
Well, explain it all you could.
Yeah, it is what it is at this
Kent
point.
City Police Officer. He reports to you.
That's not accurate.
It's totally accurate.
Okay.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic.
All right. Do you have all the stuff you need? Purse, phone. You got your phone.
0619
You got everything you need.
is not available. Please record your message.
Captain Gitman, call me back. It's Ellen Glickman.
You have a lanyard on your right side under your jacket, if that's what you're looking for.
Nope. I'm looking for my office keys. You guys f***ed me up. Thank you.
Are you going to be able to call anyone for me?
No, are you?
Okay. I'll take this one.
No, you would not take my.
All right. Well, right now you're under
I'm
arrest.
calling my husband. Stop.
Okay. Just relax. You're under arrest.
No, I'm not.
I've made my decision. You are under
I'm
arrest.
calling my husband.
Put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm calling my husband. Stop. Let go of me.
man, we
Stop.
don't
I'm
wanna
calling my
hurt you.
husband. I'm calling my
Okay.
husband.
Put your hands
Stop.
behind your back.
I'm calling my husband.
Stop.
You have
Please
no
stop.
right to do this. Stop.
Yes, I do.
I'm calling my husband. Stop. I'm calling my husband.
Too late.
Stop it. You're no right. Stop it. You have no right to do this. Stop. Let go.
Ma'am, you're
Let
gonna
go.
get hurt. Come on.
Just
no.
relax.
I'm calling my husband. Stop this. You have no.
Wait. We have a responsibility to do this, not just a right. We have a responsibility to
Can
make
you
sure
call
you're
my
not
husband?
driving. No.
You did not do a breathalyzer.
I don't need to.
Ma'am, we can
Excuse
smell
me.
it. You're the way you're acting.
I'm sorry. You have no right to do. Excuse me. You have no right to. I'm sorry. You did one. You did not do Miranda.
Hold on.
Two.
I don't
have to do Miranda.
Excuse me. Excuse me. My husband. Excuse me. Excuse me. Stop it right now. Right now. Excuse me. Stop this. Stop this right now. Stop. Excuse me.
You want to stand up?
No. No. Take my phone right now.
Ready?
We'll come get it.
three. Let's stand up.
Sir. Take my phone right now.
I'll grab it.
All right.
Sirs.
Walk.
Sir.
Walk.
What's up?
You have no right to do this.
I do.
No, you don't.
I already explained. Walk.
No. No.
Walk now.
No. No. You have no right to do this.
Walk.
This is bullshit.
I agree.
I completely agree.
I'm calling my husband.
We wish you would have before.
Could you please call my husband right now?
I don't know. I can't.
Could you please call him?
No.
Could you please?
Stop.
Stop.
Just walk.
No. Could
All you gotta do is walk.
No. No. Call him right now.
No.
Ma'am,
I'm
don't act
so-
like a child on the side of this road. Walk to the car right
This is-
now.
I'm-
This is ridiculous.
This is. I'm sorry.
Stop it.
I'm really, really sorry.
It's okay.
You're walking to this car right here.
No,
and you're
I'm
gonna get
walking
this
to
back
my.
You're not walking to your car. You're not driving home.
Can you please call my husband?
No.
No, really. Stop this. Call my husband. Please call my husband.
Stop.
Can you call my husband right now? Right now.
You can call him when you're being booked in.
I'm not being booked.
You are.
Can you call my husband? No.
Please.
Please take my cell phone. I'm really sorry for being an asshole.
So it's not because you're being difficult. It's because you're drunk.
I'm not drunk.
You are.
No, I'm not. Please take my phone. Please take my phone.
I already have your phone.
I'm sorry for being an asshole.
It has nothing to do with that.
I'm being an asshole.
Regardless, it has nothing to do with it.
Can you take these things off of me?
No.
Take these things off of me right now. Right now. Guys, I'm being a I mean, take my phone right now. Right now.
I already have your phone.
Right now.
Go ahead and have a seat in the car.
No, I'm not.
Yes. Sit down.
No.
Yes.
No.
Thank you.
Guys, take my phone right now.
I have your phone.
Take my phone.
I have your phone.
Can I have my phone right now?
No.
No, please. Guys, seriously. Can I have my phone right now?
No, you can't have your phone. Sit down.
Please call Harold.
That's wild.
Hello.
Hold on a minute.
Thank you so much.
Take your seatbelt off.
Thank you so much. Sir, I've worked here 28 years. Can I speak to somebody who's worked here a long time? Because...
Hold on. We're going to walk this way. This way. Come on.
Can I speak to somebody who's been here a long time, please?
You can speak to somebody in just a minute.
Sir, I'm really humiliated and upset.
That's why I tried to explain it to you so we wouldn't have to go through this.
Can you take this off of me, please? I'm not going anywhere. Please
No,
take this.
we will in here. Once we get in here. Come in here. Take a right. Take a right.
I'm not doing this.
You're not doing what?
Whatever you want me to do.
You're not going to do whatever I want you to do?
No.
Well, then you're not going to come out of your cuffs if you're not going to do what I want you to do.
I've been here 28 years. Can you please?
Have a seat. Have a seat.
No, I'm not having a seat.
Ma'am, have a seat. I don't want to make you have a seat.
I know who you are. How do you know?
Yeah, I know who you are too. You having a rough night?
No, I'm not. I'm fine.
Ma'am,
Everything's
have a
good. Can you take this off of me, please?
No.
That's not good.
Hello. Hi, how are you? I'm good. She's still up and down agitated-wise. I strongly recommend you just taking her home instead of letting her try to drive. She's going to try to go back and drive her car.
No.
We've explained it to her a lot of times. I appreciate you coming out.
Yeah, for sure.
I will. If you want to come wait in the lobby, I'll bring her out to you. Here's your date. Okay, here's today's date. Here's your charge, disorderly conduct, and it's because of intoxication. This is the important part down here, your court date. You can come out here and take a right.
Hey, dear.
Mom, come, let's go home.
Thanks, sir. Thank you. All right, have a good night.
Court record.
Nice to meet you.
I wanted to chat with. Do you know who the officers were that night?
Yes, Officer White and Officer Womack.
So what would be the best way of chatting with them?
What kind of conversation are you wanting to have with them?
Peaceful.
Yeah. I think there was errors on both sides.
Well, I'd have to disagree on that.
You do?
So, yes, absolutely.
Okay.
They were doing their jobs and potentially could have saved your life by not letting you drive.
Well,
If you disagree with that, that's fine.
I do.
But that's not our stance.
I
So,
wasn't drunk.
I was not inebriated.
okay. If that's fine.
You weren't there?
No, I was not there.
Okay, so there was a lot of, he was home with cancer and was post-op for about 4 hours. I was not intoxicated. I was sleep deprived. I have PTSD from y'all. My ex-husband was a cop.
Okay.
So there's a lot of stuff you didn't know. I was not given the opportunity to discuss. And
You were given many opportunities, and you did not take advantage of any of them.
Okay.
From this point, it's gone through court. It's done, over with. There's no reason to have a conversation with those officers.
well, sir, I'm an academic and I like chatting and talking and revisiting things. That's who I am.
We
And
can make an appointment with your police chief.
Pardon me?
I say perhaps we can make an appointment with your chief.
If you have a seat, I'll have his secretary see when he's available.
All right, thank you.
He's not available today, but he said to reach out and via email, and he will schedule something.
Appreciate
Okay.
it very much.
No problem. Have a good day.
you do.
You too. No problem.
She came back. 2 months later, charges dropped, case closed, and she came back to the police station to discuss it. As an academic, I'm an academic and I like revisiting things. And the lieutenant just sits there, calmly, and tells her there's nothing to discuss. She lost her director position over this. Still teaching, though. Still on Rate My Professor, 1 star across the board. Students say she goes off topic to talk about herself, which tracks. Look, nobody's perfect. People make mistakes. She had a rough night. Her husband was sick. She was stressed. I get it. But the lesson here isn't about drinking. It's about what happens when someone spends so long being the authority in the room that they forget what it feels like when that doesn't apply. The officer wasn't her student. The badge doesn't grade on a curve.